Time for another wacky episode of Fit for Expedition. Fun seekers.
Hey, this is Marshall with Mellow Nomadic Adventures, and if you're looking for Fit for Expedition, you found him.
Did I ever tell you about the time that we tried to put a window in our box truck? Ta-da!
Good action shot.
Yes. What do you think, Kelly?
I don't think that's the right spot.
No? Move it?
I changed my mind.
Alright, let's see if the window fits in there. I guess if I had given you the window, you could have just handed it to me through. It probably would have been easier.
Oh yeah. Jeez. That is true. Hey.
It's like right next to that little knob right there. I had to actually grind this bolt down shorter to mount that back on there, but it's okay. It's next to it. It's not right on it. So I've gotten into my time machine, and now I can show you the finished product. So I did end up having to replace this plug. See, the plug that was here was this size, and then you remember, I said that it wasn't an issue for the window, but it ended up being just a little bit too steep for the window to fit. I like the way the window fit now. You can see something that's going to be coming up, and that's our solar panel mounting, and I'm going to show you that in a future video, how we did that, how we added 780 watts of solar to our already 360 watts of solar panels on just a 128 square foot box truck. So there's the window, kind of a pass-through if we wanted it to be from the countertop. Oh, and I also wanted to add, never let the job intimidate you. Don't ever let anybody tell you you can't do something. Don't ever let anybody tell you you can't have the kind of life that you want when living in a nomad situation, in a box truck, box van, utility trailer, etc., because you can. You just might be a little different than they are. Oh, and feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section if you're trying to figure out how to do this yourself. If I could be of help, assistance, if I have information that you need, please let me know, and I will do my best to help you out. I'm going to move that power strip to up here, because it's not the greatest idea. You leave that window open, and then you get caught in some rain, and you come back, and your power's out. This is the kitchen too. We haven't even shown anybody this kitchen yet, so we're gonna have to do a tour. We're about maybe half to 2/3 of the way done with the truck, so we're gonna have to take everybody on a 2/3 of the way tour, and then we'll do a complete tour when we get all the paint done and everything. So what do you think? Hope you guys like the window. This is actually the second window that we put in, because we put this window in earlier in the back of the truck, and that we built that wall, so it was actually easier. I was able to frame it for the window. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's a lot more videos on the channel like this, so if you're interested in building your own van, box van, utility trailer, etc., etc., I've got some good tips for you. Thanks for being here today, and we will see you next time here on Fit for Expedition. Fun seekers!